Boys, hopping straight into this one. Holy shit, this is probably my best day trading of all time. My chart probably looks a bit intense at the minute. Go through it all now. These are all my zones. 3 trades taken today. 1 break even, bang on break even, made about £3 on it. 1 made £600 passing my phase 1 funding, and the second one I'm £259 up on my phase 2. I'll show you the email proof now. Roll that email. I hope. So congratulations. You can't see it because this laptop is just, that's not even. Basically it says congratulations on passing phase 1, and then the second account I'm up $259 to be exact. I can't remember where the first trade was, boys, because I was that excited. I know I'm not emotional, boys, trust, but I believe it was here when we perfectly tapped into my zone. This zone was created from, what am I doing? The zone was created from over here. We had this reaction area where we tapped into and seen reactions off a few times. So I've drawn out this zone, and you see we've come down to retest this zone, and I've also set an alarm just in case we come back. That's my other trade when we came back into the zone. But let's just look here for now. Drop down to the 5 minute. Where am I looking? Yeah, it was here. And you can see on this candle here, we had a breaker structure on the 5 minute. And then I believe there was a fair value gap retrace. Yeah, we had a bit of drawdown on the other trade we took. Yep, fair value gap retrace by here. And I can't remember the exact risk to reward we did, but I believe I ended on this candle right here after we tested this fair value gap and showed that we were still pushing upwards. And I believe my take profit was, I think I was on the 5 minute. Let's have a look. I believe it wasn't definitely not that. I think it was more something like this. Definitely a 1-to-1. But I think I took partials out at a 1 minute unmitigated fair value gap, I want to say. I want to say it was around about here. I took partials out and went break even, but as you can see, minimal drawdown and we smashed take profit. Taken 2, our second trade. On the 15 minute, you can see we perfectly wick this liquidity here, tapping into our zone on the 15 minute, and even with this one we had a 5 minute zone created here which we also tapped into. I see we had this little inverse fair value gap here, which to me that's a huge confidence right there, the inverse fair value gap. And I think I may have entered just off of that on this one. Yeah, I saw this big move up here, breaking structure for sure. And even on the 5 minute, we broke structure here. That's the wrong trade, sorry. On the 5 minute we ended up breaking structure. I was getting a bit scared with this here because I had quite a lot of lots on this trade. But I just saw we were testing this fair value gap and extracting it perfectly, and then we shot to take profit like there wasn't a care in the world. It's this candle here we took profit on. But as you can see, we did shoot up, but I was looking to see, I saw us slowing down here, I was looking for a zone to see that we could have used, but I only had my zone up here. Got a bunch of zones here to look for sells, which I don't think we'll be testing that high anytime soon, so I'm going to delete all of these now. But yeah, as you can see, we've got a zone here where we may be looking for buys, and if we come into it, we'll be looking for sells. So I don't know what's going to be going on with trading tomorrow, to be honest, because I'm out quite a lot of the day. But this is a good day, boys. Let's fucking go.